Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're going to solve the problem of transform handles missing in Photoshop, the most recent versions. Now I have an earlier video that shows where the settings are on the control bar. The new version of Photoshop has changed. Of course it's changed. So let's go and see what we've got here. We've got a background layer, which is the white area. We've got a square here. Going to just deselect everything. I'm going to the move tool here. I'm going to click on this shape, and I'm told that I can't use the move tool. That's going to be really surprising to you because you should have been able to do so. So this is what we're going to do. Up here on the control bar, we're going to click this option here, and that will allow us to select this object. But you'll notice that the transform handles are missing. So we've got halfway there. We've got to go the rest of the way. So what we're going to do now is go up to this gear icon, click on it and choose Show Transform Controls. So now we should be able to have nothing selected. We should be able to click on the shape and we should have transform handles. So if you ever get that option that you cannot click on something, if you get this message, it's because this is not enabled. I do not understand what they're doing here. I think it's a really bad situation. I think it's actually appalling, and a lot of new users are really going to struggle with this, and I'm sorry for that. Hopefully this video will help you out. Now these settings are sticky, so they should be set on the same way when you come into Photoshop the next time. So you're only going to have to do it once, hopefully. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now, you'll see a video that I've hand-picked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.